Hello, my name is Paul Dunn with Nail World on behalf of Expert Village. Now we will straighten out the French. When you straighten out French, all you need to do is get a brush about this size. This is the one I made. And you put a little acetone in a container. Make sure the container is glass, or if it's plastic, it can withstand the acetone, because some plastic container will melt under the acetone. And when you apply the brush, apply lightly over the French or on top, and then you just move your brush side to side so you can get a good straighten out and curvature of polish. So when it comes out like that, it looks like it's a natural shape that's shaped with the nail. And after that,